we're ready to shoot here at Yunque Rainforest at San Diego Waterfall. We have a beautiful couple here, and we're gonna do quite a few photos for them. Watch this photo shoot.
Juan Diego. Juan Diego. It is not San Diego, it's Juan Diego.
Are you from Puerto Rico?
Yeah, we both from Puerto Rico.
Walking towards a safe location right there because it's very rocky here in this area, so we want them to feel comfortable where they're standing, and then we can give them better direction. That's good enough. So now we're going to put an orange CPO to give us some flare behind us and recreate this effect using gel. One of the challenges we had today was keeping the detail in the waterfall because there is a lot of contrast being in the shade, and the waterfall, the sun is hitting it directly. So that's why we have this flash. We did a couple with backlight and we used an orange gel. Now we're gonna go to a different location because we did quite a few here already. Yeah, hopefully get some more great shots for you. With all the mud of the... Oh yeah, that was awesome.
Just wash off in the waterfall again.
They're covered in mud. I'm sorry for that. I had suggested them to...
What'd you do, Eli?
I had suggested for them to get mud all over them, so that way it looked more realistic on the shot. Also, another simple trick we did was actually handing them this Godos AD200. That way we can have them hold it instead of placing the light stand behind them. We pretty much have no place to put it in that spot. They hold it behind them and flare comes out, and it all works out great. We're adjusting our shutter speed. We have also the focus to AI focus. That way we can follow the focus with them when they're running towards us and hopefully get everything in focus at a high shutter speed. I'm getting low here for the horizon water not to fall on their head. I'm not worrying about the light stand because I'm going to Photoshop that out later on.